Hi, it's Rosa Collado with Keller Williams. In today's video, I'm going to go over exactly how you can find out if you have any violations on any properties here in New York City. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, I just went ahead and I just Googled DOB violation. That's all I did is search DOB violations, right? You go to DOB violations here. You see where it says property search. We go into property search. Now you go ahead and pick the borough. So just so you guys know, New York City are the 5 boroughs. It's Manhattan, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, and Staten Island. If you live in Long Island, there's another place where you can search. But let's go ahead and start here. I'm going to go ahead with Queens. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do this address, 135 here, 15 Hawtree Street. You do not have to go ahead and put the zip code or state. You just choose the location, Queens, and let's go ahead and go into this property. Great. So what do you see automatically in this property? I'm going to go ahead and take my notepad so you guys can take a look at what I'm doing here. So one of the first things you want to look at is complaints. As you can see here, complaints is if anyone called 311 and said that you have a violation. A violation could be, hey, I saw that they have tenants, or hey, you know what? I saw that they were working in the property. So this is where you can see complaints. As you can see here, there is 0 complaints and 0 open complaints. Okay, so we're going to clear that out. Now, the second one is violations. Here's where you're going to see violations, right? As you can see here, there's 0 violations, 0 violations, right? The next one you want to do is job filing. Job filing is, let's say you hire someone to work in your home for job filing. Let's say you hire a plumber or an electrician. Here's where you'll see if anyone pulled any permits to work in your property. So if you're paying someone to do something to your home and a permit is required, you want to go here to see, did they actually file for jobs here? All right. And then the other thing you want to look at is actions, right? Let's see here. There's 3 actions on this property. So let's go ahead and check what those 3 actions are. So here, what are you seeing in actions? You're seeing there were 3 things that was done in this property. They first did an alteration in 1965. And then in 1928, they finally got a new building, and the certificate of occupancy was done here. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Here, you get to see exactly if this is a 1-family or a 2-family. So you see here, it says, so you guys can see here, it says 2-family dwelling. Here you see 2, and here it says dwelling. So this is 2-family dwelling. Let's clear this out for you guys to take a look at even better. Scroll down here, right? This is a certificate of occupancy. Not all properties in New York City have certificate of occupancy, so that shouldn't be a problem. Not all properties here in New York City have certificate of occupancy. Now, if you want or need a certificate of occupancy, you can go to DOB, see if they're able to get that information over to you. All right. So as you can see, it's very easy to see if there is any violations in your property. And as you guys know, if you have any real estate related questions, if you want me to do a deeper search for you, if you want me to see if you have any violations, or if you have any questions and need someone to help you remove violations, you can go ahead and give me a call. My number is 917-833-0582. I'm looking forward to helping you guys. Have a great day.